to take a look at replacing the HEPA filter inside of the work chamber. You're going to be replacing this filter depending on your usage. So maybe once a quarter or so, you want to take a look inside of your work chamber here, and you have this air filter in the back. And we're going to use the number 2.5 Allen wrench here, and you're just going to loosen the 4 screws holding the holder in place. So we'll loosen those. And then this holder just slides to the right and pulls off of that back wall. So we take out this old one. And if we look at it here, this old one is pretty dirty, so we're going to go ahead and replace it with a new one. You can set it inside of the holder any direction, and you just want to make sure it's all the way in there. And we'll just put it right back in. Once that is back in place, we're just going to tighten down those screws. Okay. On the machine, if you go into a menu and special functions and machine status, it will give you some counters in here for your service time. So that should help you also keep in line with when to change out the air filter. And that's it for changing out the HEPA filter.